All right, here's our third warm-up. All right, and this shape is a little, no curves in it or anything like that. Kind of easy because we're going to learn something else. All right, as you look at this drawing, okay, it's like kind of like this weird pyramid thing. Everything gets slightly smaller as you go up. But if you check this out, on our width, we have 0.5, 1, and 2. So they're doubling. Here, they're 0.5, 1, and 1.5. So each one is 0.5. But also here, we have 0.75, 1.5. So they're doubling. And there's 3. 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. So these are doubling. So we're essentially doubling each way. So there's a way that we can model this with only using 2 dimensions. So here we go. First of all, the only dimensions that I need are the width and height, height, and depth of my bottom. So it's 2 by 3. So that's going to be this rectangle is 2 by 3, and then it's up 0.5. So I'm going to start a sketch. I'll start on the top view. And I'm going to start on the origin, drag out, use my dimension. And this is 2. This is 3. I've got 2 by 3. And then I'm going to extrude this to 0.5. Alright, so here's how we do this without using any more dimensions. So I told you 2 dimensions, we've already used 2. I'm going to start a sketch on the top of the square. And then I'm going to click in the top corner. And I'm going to find the midpoint. So that little orange thing right there, that's the midpoint. And then once I lock into them, so I'll lock into the midpoint here, my mouse will find them again. So I lock in like this. Now, I clicked twice and my lines are totally black. That means they're totally construed. So now I'm going to extrude. I'm going to click in the box, put 0.5 in again, and there is my next shape on this weird square birthday cake. So I'm going to repeat it, start a sketch on the top, take my rectangle tool, start on the top. Again, do the same thing. Find the midpoint, and then move it over. If I look, those little numbers, it says 0.5 and 0.75. If I go back to my drawing, it's 0.5 and 0.75. I know that that's correct. Click the check, extrude. I'm going to go up 0.5 again. And there's our finished shape. So you check your properties, click on the shape, and it'll tell you your volume. Report that. Make sure you use decimals, but don't put any commas and just put the number in there.